Another question from sequencing series, and I think this also is a routine one. We are given that a1 is an or rather ai is an arithmetic progression, and an will be a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference 8, which turns out to be a10 minus 1. So an equals to a10 minus 1. We are given that tn plus 1 equals to tn plus an, which will ultimately give us a tn plus 1 equals to sigma n equal or rather k equals to 2 to n of tk wait a second, what we'll do is we write this as tn plus 8n. So now what will this give us is, which will be say tn minus 1 and so on. So unrolling this, we'll get tn plus 1 tn equals summation. Now this will go on till we have n equals to 2. We'll get t1 here, so that will give us a times summation of I equals to 1 to n I minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and this will go on till minus n minus 1 plus t1. Yeah, so basically we'll unroll this till we get the term of t1, and that would be at when n will be 2. So these terms would be from 2 to n. Oh sorry, no, when there is tn minus 1 we have an n minus 1 here. So when there will be t1 we will have 8n plus 8 into 1. So this will in fact be from 1, and we have n minus 2 here, we have a 2 here. So when we'll have 1 we'll have n minus 1. No, we'll have an n here in fact. So that gives us and replacing n plus 1 by n we get so put t n equals to 20, we get t20 equals to 1604, n equals to 30 gives us t30 is indeed 3454. So that means A is wrong, C is correct. Now we also need the summation of the series. So this is 4n square minus 3n plus 4, so which gives us sigma of t I from I for I equals to 1 to n becomes summation which is 4 n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus 3n n plus 1 plus 4n. So you can check for B equals for option B and D, we will get that summation till 20 Ti is indeed 10510. I am not going to show the calculations here, but yeah, so the answer, final answer would be B comma C. So again, a straightforward one from sequences and series, though the calculation might get a bit tedious, but it's nothing out of the ordinary.